of all, because it's scorching hot, I need to put on deodorant. I stopped using deodorant now for about maybe 8 months, going on 8 months. I went to a homeopathic doctor and she said, do not wear deodorant, it's really bad for the lymphatic system, especially for us females. And she told me just use rubbing alcohol. So this is, I'll bring it here. It's called the alcohol lotion and it's got like lemon in it. I just do this. So any skin safe rubbing alcohol is safe to use. And the reason I would suggest using this, besides if you want to use a natural deodorant, is that there's no buildup of anything on your skin. The reason we don't want to block our glands in our armpits is because we need to sweat. Sweating is very vital for human health and the way we detox. Okay, so the first thing that I always do after brushing my teeth and washing my face is I apply toner. And the toner that I'm using is African Extracts. It's the purifying one. I've taken it out of this bottle and I've put it in this fancy schmancy. My dad brought me a couple bottles of stock so that I can have, because I'm in Greece and this is from South Africa, so I'm sure they ship online. I didn't want to pay for shipment fees because it's expensive. You can see in the back here it writes, it's paraben free and it's vegan, made with organic, robust, sustainably sourced ingredients, vegan, natural extracts, and it's made in South Africa. It's endorsed by Beauty Without Cruelty. So I've been collecting these little cute glass bottles just to add some of my skin oils and body oils, and of course my toner. It just makes my skin routine a little bit more zhuzhy and I'm enjoying it a lot. Mix a bunch of different body oils to have like this rich oil for my body, and just it's really nice for my skin, especially summertime, where I'm always lathering myself in creams and oils. So in this I put almond oil, castor oil, argan oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. The ancient Greeks used to put olive oil in their hair, on their body. So as I mentioned, this is my toner and I always apply this on my skin after I've washed my face. What toner does is that it closes your pores and it also adds a layer of hydration and vitamins onto your skin, so that when you are ready to apply face cream, your skin is able to absorb the creams a lot better. For a while now, I've been trying to find products that are, first of all, vegan, mainly natural based, good for my skin, but specifically things that are inexpensive but effective. I've been using a variety of different brands, so it leads me to the product that I've been using for the last year now, and that is The Ordinary. So this is their hyaluronic acid. Now, we are all human, we're going to have some red spots, some breakouts. I was eating a lot of wheat and gluten over the summer, but slowly but surely my scars are going away. I'm certain that because I'm adding a lot of rich vitamins onto my skin, that's why any acne or breakouts or scarring that I may have or irritations, it kind of helps keep my complexion a lot more clear and fresh. Many people suggested that you have a layer of moisture on your skin first, and then you put your hyaluronic acid over, and then you seal it with a face cream or oil, and then like a sunscreen if you'd like. So ever since I started doing that, I've noticed that hyaluronic acid is a lot more effective. So this is hyaluronic acid 2% with B5 inside. So I have an even layer of light moisture. And then I'm going to go in and add a couple of drops of this. I don't put too much. And then you just evenly rub it in everywhere. And then we have to go in and seal it before it dries. So that's when I bring this baby out. And this is their daily moisturizer. You want to just dab this all over and quickly rub it in so that it locks in the hyaluronic acid. I think the more moisture the skin has, the better, because I live in the northern parts of Greece where we have extreme temperatures. So in the summertime, like now, we range between 30 to 45 degrees. 45 degrees is a huge heat wave. We are at 40 at the moment, so my skin has been feeling super dry, super parched, no matter how much water I drink. In the winter time, we hit the minus weather. We get freezing cold temperatures, snow, and so we're below 0 degrees Celsius many days of the winter period. And so with extreme heat and extreme cold, your skin dries out, can become very irritable. This is all the products that I use of the ordinary. I'm not finished with my routine yet, I'm just going to show you. So it's the hyaluronic acid. Sorry, all the dogs are barking if you can hear that. Jeepers creepers. Now my dog's barking. It's a pack of stray dogs in the town's platea that they're a pack, right? And so there's like 2 packs, and these packs fight with each other and they chase each other down the streets. And then you get my German Shepherd on the balcony going woo, 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 showing them that he's king. This is their daily moisturizer. You can use this day and night. Hi, Cookie. Did you come to say hi to Mama? Hi, Cookie. Hello. Hi, Cookie Moo. Hi, don't hide your face. Bring your beautiful face out. Mommy's Cookie. Mommy's Cookie. Thank you for the hi. Bye. Then I've got their vitamin C serum, and this is what I use in the evenings. Now with this, apparently you can use this in the daytime so long as you put an SPF over it so that you don't get skin damage. I'm too terrified with this massive heat wave that Greece is going through in the peak of the summertime. I avoid using this during the summertime. I'll use this in the winter during the daytime because I just add some sunscreen over my skin and then I know I'm fine. But because it's mid-heat in Greece, if you're living in an area where it's very hot or you're in the summer period and you're going to be in the sun frequently, do not put vitamin C on your skin during the day. Put it in the nighttime and then wash it off the next morning, just to prevent skin damage. I didn't know this. I was using this product, and so when I started using this, I didn't know that you were not allowed to use this during the daytime without sunscreen. So I was putting this on my skin and I started noticing that I was getting dark sunspots around until I read on how to use vitamin C serum properly, and I came across the Ordinary as an effective one. And then I went to a makeup store and they said to me, do not put vitamin C on your skin in the summertime during the day, only at night. I also wear contact lenses, and in the summertime my eyeballs get very, very dry. And then next I have their peeling solution. This is something that is meant to be used once or twice a week. A very thin layer on the face. You're supposed to put a very light layer so that your skin is a subtle pink, but people were obviously putting it as if it was a whole mask, and it's, I don't know if you can see, I'll show you what it looks like. Very strong stuff, very effective. It helps improve your texture, improve blemishes, rejuvenate fresh skin cells, takes away scars. Would I suggest you use this more than once a week if you've got sensitive skin? No. Would I suggest that you use this more than once a week if you're in the summer period? No. I would use it once a week in the nighttime, and the next day, please don't go to the beach, please don't be in the sun, don't go to the pool. If you're gonna go outdoors, you've got to put sunscreen on and a hat, because this stuff will cause skin damage the next day if you are not protecting your skin and you're out in the harsh sun rays. The reason for that is that it's a acid peel, so it peels off a layer of your skin, so then your skin is in a lot more sensitive state because it's had this acid on it. So if you're directly in the sun, you will risk yourself of sun damage, and that's how people develop sunspots. So those are the 4 products of the Ordinary that I am currently using. They also have a rose hip oil that I know is very effective. I personally make my own. Because we have wild rose hip here in Greece in the winter period growing on the mountain, I collect them and then I extract the oil myself and I mix it in with jojoba oil, so that's what I've got here. This I will use as a serum in the nighttime. If I want to put some on in the daytime, I make sure to put on sunscreen, because If you're not aware, rosehip has a high extraction of vitamin C in it. So this is like a vitamin C solution. So if you are going to use rosehip oil on your skin during the day, again, sunscreen over it. In this bottle, I've got a mixture of oils that I use in the nighttime. It's pretty much a botanical mixture of oils for the skin at night. And I'll use this like a couple times a week if I want to use my jade roller, you know, just to rub in the oils in the nighttime, or my gua sha. These two are amazing. I will usually use this oil as a rub-in oil whilst, you know, massaging my skin. This is also rich in vitamin E. I've added some vitamin E. The way I add vitamin E in my serums, as well as this, which is jojoba and the rosehip, I simply buy vitamin E capsules. You get a needle, I don't know if you can see that, you prick a hole through it, and the vitamin E comes out perfect. So what I do is usually I'll add this in with my normal skin products, or you can just add it normally on your skin. Vitamin E is very effective in reducing scars, also level of hydration. Very, very good. Another oil that has a high concentration of vitamin E is castor oil, and that is one of the oils that I've mixed in my body oil. Keeping the skin on your face healthy is just as important as the skin on your body, especially in the chest area where us women age. I'm fine with the concept of aging and, you know, getting wrinkles. It's inevitable. This is something that us women are all going to have to go through, as well as men. But the difference in preserving your skin in a healthy, natural way is to maintain the health of your skin, because it is your biggest organ on your body. I personally just feel really good when I add oils and creams on my skin. We're going to put on my Chorus Natural Tinted Sunscreen. I've only recently understood the importance of using sunscreen on my skin repetitively every day. It's something obviously that's natural based. I don't put sunscreen on my whole body. I only put sunscreen on my face because this is an area where I really don't want to get spots and damage done on my skin. What I like about this having a slight tint to it is that it also almost acts as a BB cream, and you don't have to worry about putting foundation on in the daytime or the nighttime, winter or summer. If I want to have a light layer of coverage on my skin, this is what I use as a, let's call it, foundation solution. I might add a little bit of concealer under my eyes if I'm very tired, but in general, in the summertime you sweat so much. The last thing you should be doing is putting makeup on your skin in the scorching heat. I'm sure in the evening times a lot of females could get away with using some foundation because you don't sweat as much in the evening. Your skin needs to breathe, so if you've got an excess amount of makeup and, you know, all of those things on top of your skin, then your body can't breathe. I hope that I was insightful. If you're thinking of using a good product that's effective, please try out the brand Ordinary. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. I mean, I'd love it if they sponsor me one day, but I really love the ethos that their company has. Not only are they against animal testing, they also maintain the prices on their products. They are providing a good skincare range to people that are not financially willing to spend so much money on skin serums and moisturizers and peeling solutions, etc. So just so that I can give you a quick rundown of how much each product of theirs roughly costed me. A daily moisturizer cost me about, I think, 7 or 8 euros. I got it in Italy. Their vitamin C was about 10 euros. The hyaluronic acid was about 8 euros. And the peeling solution was about 10 or 12 euros, somewhere there. So very, very cost effective. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please let me know if you have any other amazing products that you use on your skin that's vegan, natural, etc. Give us a try. And yeah, just take good care of your skin, eat really healthy, eat your fruits, eat your vegetables, drink a lot of water, and you'll maintain a good complexion on your skin. Bye guys, have a beautiful day. I have to go cook now, so I'm going to end this video. Bye!